Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to pay off your Upstart loan? Maybe your finances have taken a hit and you're wondering, man, can I settle my loan for less than I owe? The answer is yes, but it's not always easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to negotiate a settlement with Upstart, as well as when settlement is a good option and of course when it's not, as well as the risk involved and how it'll affect your credit. So let's get started. Now, the first step is what is loan settlement? So loan settlement is when you negotiate with Upstart to pay less than the full amount that you owe. Now, this usually happens when you've missed several payments. Upstart might accept a lower amount rather than risk getting nothing. However, settling a loan damages your credit score. So it's a last resort, and settlement works best if your loan is already in default and Upstart believes that you can't pay in full. Step 2, when should you consider loan settlement? So loan settlement isn't for everyone, and here's when it makes sense. It makes sense when you've missed several payments and you are in default. Or when you can't afford to pay the full amount, as well as let's say you have a lump sum of money to offer for settlement, or if you're okay with a credit score drop in exchange for just clearing your debt. Now, if you can still afford payments, it's better to negotiate a lower monthly payments instead of settling. Now, the third step is how to negotiate a settlement with Upstart. So here's how to do that. First, you got to contact Upstart. So call your customer service or collections department and just explain your situation. Tell them why you can't pay the full amount, job loss, medical emergencies, whatever it is. Just explain that to them. And you're going to make an offer. So start by offering 40 to 50% of your total balance, and then you can negotiate. So Upstart may counter offer, so be prepared to go back and forth on this and get the agreement in writing. So before paying, ensure that Upstart provides a written settlement agreement stating that they'll consider the debt paid in full. Here's a quick warning: do not send money until you have a written agreement. Otherwise, they may take your payment and still demand more later on. So the fourth step, how settlement affects your credit score. So before you settle, you need to understand the impact on your credit score. So one, your loan amount will be marked as settled instead of paid in full. Settled loan lowers your credit score for up to 7 years. So you got to take note of that. And also, you might struggle to get new loans or credit cards in the future if you settle. So if you plan to buy a house or take out a car loan soon, settlement might not be the best option. Now, the fifth step is alternative options to settlements. Now, settlement isn't your only option. There are a couple of alternatives. The first, you can request a hardship plan. So Upstart may lower your payments temporarily with this plan. You could also choose to refinance with another lender. So you can get a new loan with a lower monthly payment to refinance the Upstart loan. Also, you have the debt management plan. So work with a credit counseling agency to negotiate better terms. Now, these options will protect your credit scores while making payments more manageable. Yeah, and that's how you settle an Upstart loan for less than you owe. Remember, settlement can help clear your debt, but it does come with risk. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more money saving tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.